Hey, this is Sandy with Leisure Depot. You know, folks get so excited when they come in and buy hot tubs, and we give them so much information at the time of purchase. And when they get home, they don't remember all of this information. So we're doing these short videos to show you how to operate your hot tub. This is the Mira 6-button top side. I want to go through a few functions for this hot tub to make you very comfortable in what you're doing on your programming. This hot tub, you have the ability to program your filtration cycles. To obtain your filter settings, you would hit the warm button and then the jet button, and this will allow you to scroll through the different filtration settings. Your factory settings are going to be filter 2. What this means is your hot tub is going to filter for 2 hours and then shut off for 10. To change that setting, you would just scroll through this warm button to increase the filtration cycle or decrease the filtration cycle. So if I have it set at filter 4, press the jet button, that's going to lock in that filter cycle. And now my hot tub is going to be programmed to filter for 4 hours and shut off for 8. Everything is programmed to cycle on a 12-hour clock. So if it's on for 4, it would shut off for 8. It would come on for 4 and then shut off for 8 again. One of the features you have in that filter cycle is to give you a continuous filtration, which would be 24-hour circulation. This is something that may not be necessary, but in a situation where if you had a lot of friends and family over, the next morning you woke up, your water was a little cloudy, I would say put it on this filter C. Maybe for a day or two, that's going to give you continuous filtration and help you get your water clean and clear very quickly. To lock the filter C in, I would hit that jet button. It locks it in. I am now in a continuous filtration. To change that cycle, again, I would hit the warm, jet, arrow through, and set it for your normal filtration. Depending on the bather load or your usage, such as high usage, that is going to dictate the filter cycle that you're going to operate on. If you have any questions, just come on into the store and we can give you the recommendations. This hot tub also has 3 heating modes. Your heating modes are standard, economy, and sleep. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of each one and then I'll show you how to program those. Standard mode is going to operate just like your air conditioning at your home. You would set it to the desired temperature. Your hot tub would maintain that temperature all the time. So if you wanted it set at 100, you would set it at 100. The hot tub would operate until it reached 100 and then it would shut off. Every 30 minutes, the hot tub sends a signal to the sensor. If the water temperature is 2 or 3 degrees below what you have it set at, it would automatically signal the heater to come on. The heater would come on for a few minutes, bring it back to 100, and then it would shut off. The next heating mode would be economy. Economy is your super energy efficient mode. This will allow the heater to come on only in a designated filter cycle. So if you have your filtration setting set at 4 hours, your hot tub will only allow that heater to come on within that 4-hour window. In its 8-hour shut-off time, that heater will not come on. A lot of folks will use economy mode during the summer because when it's warmer out, you don't need as much heating. So that economy mode will allow that heater to come on in a somewhat limited capacity. The last heating cycle would be sleep. I always use sleep as, I call it vacation mode. So sleep mode would be if you're going out of town or you know that you're not going to use your hot tub for a certain period of time, put it in sleep mode. Sleep mode will maintain the hot tub up to 20 degrees from what you have it set at. So if you have it set at 100, it's only going to maintain to 80 degrees. Sleep mode is even more energy efficient than economy, but that's because it really limits your heat and will only maintain up to 20 degrees what you have it set at. All right, I'm going to run through how to access those heating modes. It's actually pretty simple. You would hit the mode, and then the warm button, and then the mode button. ECN is economy, SLP is sleep, and STD is standard. When you have it set in standard, you would just not do anything, and standard will automatically default. When you're in standard, you will always have a constant temperature display. When you are in economy mode, economy will flash between the temperature and ECN. This is a signal to let you know that you're in economy mode. When you're in sleep mode, the display will flash between the temperature and SLP. This allows you to know that you are in sleep mode. It's only in standard mode that you get the constant temperature reading. This is the light key. The light key will turn your lights on. It'll also allow you to go through about 6 different colors as well as different color changing modes. You would just simply press the button and it'll go through the different light cycles, and you stop at the one you like. This would be your fast color progression. This will be your slow color progression. This would be the party light. This is even faster. This would scroll through your solid colors. I should say this is your solid, steady colors. Now you see how easy it is to operate your hot tub. We'd love to see you in the store. Come on in anytime. We'll be glad to help you out. Remember, we have all the fun, so come and get yours.
We have all the fun.